Hello, 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 Manuel. Manuel, can you hear me? Cool. So let's get into the project explanation. So just come here. So I'm the host for you. I've created the room, and this is the 3 different book stands which are in the sync with the host. So if you stand on the either of the corner of the book stands, you can see the changes, whichever book I'm changing. So what book are you able to see in front of you? Okay. Now I'm changing it to Crime and Punishment. Just tell me if it you as well. Okay. Okay, cool. So this particular implementation can be implied like I'm a teacher and you are a student, and I'm just teaching you and you are just following up in the other book stand. So I'll just change the page number. So let's check the page number sync as well. So what's the page number you are able to see? Cool. It's 13 for me as well. So now I'll change it to another book. Let's test with another book. Okay, what book are you able to see now? Okay, now it's Frankenstein. Now I'll just show you, like, even if I scroll the book, you will be able to see that scrolls as well. Okay, so I've just stopped the scroll. Just tell me which page number can you see? Cool. That's 107. You can see here. Cool. Now let's get into the weather system. So if you come here, so you have a ray tracing controller, right? For you, just try to change the weather to night or gloomy. You won't be able to change it because I'm the host. The controls are in my hand. So now just see. I won't tell you which weather it is, but by changing it, you can just tell me. I've changed the weather. What weather can you see? Yes. I've chosen a night one. Since I have not notified you, it's a night, but still you can see the change, right? So it's in sync. So I'll change it to other option. Can you see the change? Cool. So yeah, and this is a special one. So if you just come on the spot where I am standing, just follow me. You can see a beautiful Martian sun over there on top from the ceiling. Okay, and just parallelly raise your head up. You can see a dragon on top, a red dragon which is enhanced in the red Martian weather. So yeah, sound, as we are able to chat through voice and gestures, let's test the type chat now. So on the right top corner, you can set your username with your name. Just set your username, and on the left bottom corner, you can send a dummy message or anything. Are you able to see anything on your canvas? Okay, cool. You named yourself as Joseph and hello explanation. That's it, right? Cool. Now this is another feature, and now let's get into the next feature. So in the beginning, you have seen 3 book stands, right? That is for only host and the player sync. But here we have another book stand here and exactly opposite your right your behind. So these 2 book stands are not in sync with the players. So if at all you want to study by your own, like you want to study your own private book and you don't want to mingle up with any other players, then you can come to these either of the book stands and you can select your own book and go with it. So now for me, I've chosen Crime and Punishment. So are you able to see Crime and Punishment in your canvas? Okay, so that means you have the independency of choosing your own book and reading your own book as per your convenience. So these 2 particular book stands have this particular controls. And next, let's get into a little more further. So this is the main, you can say, a reception area of the library. So can you see the list of books on the canvas in front of you? Okay. So try to rent. So before doing that, can you see your own name on top? Whatever username you have used for logging into the library environment. So this particular username will be in sync with that particular player. So it doesn't matter if at all he's host or not. It will be displayed his own name, like whatever username he is logging in, that particular username will be visible here. So just try to rent any book or buy any book. So there are buttons, 2 buttons for each book. So just click on it. Are you done clicking? So after that, just get into the so in bottom you can see my book list. Just try to press it. Did you get a list of books? So so is it showing the books which you have rented and bought? Yes. So for me, I have rented Crime and Punishment. So it's showing me in my transactions, it's Crime and Punishment. And within the rent, it's like within the brackets is showing as rent because I've rented it. Now even try for buying a book. So I'm trying to buy Frankenstein, and when I go into my transaction, it's showing me Frankenstein has been bought. So this is one another feature which can be used as a dashboard to show and display the user whatever books he's buying or renting. So far that's all. Like for other ambience, we have this particular receptionist dragon over here who does all the crazy stuff for us. And apart from this, I've shown you one on the top, that the red one, that's a dragon, and the dragon which you have seen in front, like during the main lobby, that's the other dragon. And some other features, like I would say one last feature would be this facts thing. So this actually is a dummy canvas, I can say, but having said that, this can be used as a thought of day or quote of the day in our library. So far it shows us all the crazy facts about the cats, but same logic can be applied, like some interesting facts or amazing facts in a library, so that whenever a user logs in, he can just click on the button and it randomly fetches up from the database and shows up some amazing fact. So you can just click on the button, give me another, and it will show you some random facts. So yeah, this is just one another feature, I would say. And apart from that, I've also shown you the weather. So yeah, so far that's it. And yeah, this is the biggie dragon right behind our book stands. So you can also come towards it and have some glance. So be little careful, it's little scary for the users who are new to this VR environment. But yeah, this is the main attraction of our library system. And that's it. Yeah, we can further even scale up this library, like we can increase the number of floors or expand it a bit more by increasing the book stands and keeping the bookshelves. Yeah, so far that's the project. Cool. Yeah.